Okay, let's see what we got here, dude. Unboxing video, right? Woohoo! Dewalt. Oh man. Oh, sweet. So we have a small boxes. Dewalt impact gun. This is the DCF 88 model. This is a beer tool, so I've got 3 of these. And, oh my gosh. Heavy duty 7 and 9 inch cylinder grinder. This is the D28499X model. I will leave everything for you guys on that. 6,000 rounds per minute, 15 amps, 5.3 horsepower. And your handle. Damn, dude, this is big. It's a lot bigger than I thought. It's crazy. Whoa. There. Whoa. This is nice. Really nice jump to it, so you can use both 7 inch and 9 inch on that bad boy right here. Alright, let's see what we got in here now. Oh, yeah. Impact guns. 20 volts battery on here. Ooh, nice. Ooh, LED lights. Let's try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's open this one up. Oh, so it goes like this. Lots of style. Nice. What? Yo, this is I don't- Whoa. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave the link for everything down in the description down below. Check it out. Model number and everything like that. 20 volts max. You can't go wrong. Amazon.